the trenches, your little bet's on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, a pretty life-changing game. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned the lesson. Station smirking, got a fair share. Jealous in a single day, microsurging on the chips that I gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like they're chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent, system market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we bring reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, your little bet's on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, a pretty life-changing game. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new mutation, smirking, got a fair share. Gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that I gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like they're chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent, system market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we bring reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, your little bet's on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, a pretty life-changing game. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new mutation, smirking, got a fair share. Gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that I gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like they're chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent, system market like a Markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, a pretty life-changing game. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, market got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. Tandies, in the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, a pretty life-changing game. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, market got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. Tandies, in the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, a pretty life-changing game. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, market got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirk, it got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent, system market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase candies, we bring reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirk, it got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent, system market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase candies, we bring reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirk, it got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. Tandies, in the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase candies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, Tandies, everybody chasing Tandies. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurgeon on the chips, that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like...
Morning, kiddos. Morning. Happy Boom Boom Day. How are you guys? Hello, hello. You guys hear me, see me? All good? Yes, no, yes. Buenos dias. Awesome. Yep, okay. That's funny. That's funny, man. Good morning. Okay, what do we have here? Nice move overnight. Yes, very strong today. Why is ES so strong? Is it the Dow or the Russell? A very strong ES. Good inflation data, but Enki is pulling back. Okay, let me put some music here. PayPal big jump. Ooh, I had a bunch of shares on PayPal. Let's see. Let me check that. Oh yeah, I'm taking some profits on PayPal. Thank you for telling me that. Woohoo! I mean, I don't need to trade today with that. I bought PayPal around, what was it? 43. Yeah. 43, I was down a little bit, and I'm up a lot. Okay, I'm done for today. Okay, so we have NQ very, very weak compared to ES. I saw SMH. Was SMH pulling back? Yeah. Oh yeah. SMH pulling back. The Q could not hold PDH. We have EF trying to hold pre-market highs. Pre-market highs. I kind of, to be honest, guys, I almost skipped the rest of the week. I was hesitating to come here today because I don't like how the market is moving. And yeah, we have news, like data coming in. We also have a Fed speaking at, I think at 10 or 10:45 or something like that. So I don't feel like trading today. We have crude oil at 10:30. And I know I saw somewhere that we have one Fed speaking. I don't remember at what time. Don't like the PA message. I don't know. Okay, so we have Fed at 10. We have oil data at 10:30. And we also have to deal with a shitty price action. So yeah, I wanted to skip today. But I said, you know what? Just come and see what's gonna happen. Why not? What? To the younger ADR, I will say, don't watch the charts all day. The less you trade, the better. Marry a rich guy? Nah. I like having my own money. I hate when people say that, like women say that to marry a rich guy. I honestly really don't like that. I like having my own money. I like making money. You know why? Because I'm gonna tell you this story, guys. My mom, when she was little, my grandpa was very wealthy, like very wealthy. He was on the oil business when in Venezuela, and he had other businesses. And then he passed, and my mom and her family lost everything, like literally everything. And my grandma had no idea how to manage my grandpa's wealth. I mean, she had 5 kids. It was I think my grandpa passed in the 70s. My mom was like 10 or 11, so it must be on the early 70s. And you know, around that time, rich women, they will only have a bunch of kids. My grandma will just take care of my mom and aunts and uncle, and then she will go to the club with her friends and play cards. And then my grandpa passed and they lost everything. So I grew up with my mom telling me never put your future into someone else. And I also have another, like, it's not like that, but I have a friend that her dad he had money, like a good amount of money. He cheated on her mom like multiple times, like a lot of times. He had other kids outside marriage, and her mom never divorced because she didn't know what to do, because she had no money on her own. And I think that's very sad. My mom didn't want me to marry a poor guy. She wanted me to be independent. Well, you can marry a rich guy, just understand how a business works. Money really works. Call it mad money? Oh, I never heard about that. But it makes sense. Mad money, yes. What a dump here on NQ. Yeah, I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with marrying a rich guy. That would be awesome. If I can make my own money and I marry a rich guy, perfect. That would be perfect. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with marrying up. Like, I never say that. I just said I like making my own money. That's all I'm saying. I like money. Poor after. And also, I don't think it's about being rich or being wealthy or being poor. Like, I dated a guy, he had money, and but he never spent anything on me, so I don't think it's about money, it's about the person that you are gonna spend your time with. Yeah, of course. I'm single. Okay, let's see how Enki is gonna react to pre-market lows. You got Jesus, you got it all? Maybe. I don't know. I don't know about that. Are we gonna hold pre-market lows? Can we? Let's see. Okay, that's my trade for the day. I'm done. Risky trade. But and that, guys, is that's how I pass evals also. But if I were trading evals, I'll be in with like 5 minutes. In and out. That's my day. It's gonna be 2,500 because it's 2,000, over 2,000 plus this 460 here on this live account. So yeah, 2,500 for the day. I think that's pretty good. Because for the week, because I've been having a very slow week. Yeah, very slow week. Minus $100 plus 200 yesterday. Today I decided to copy trade. Not with all my accounts. I only copy traded with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts plus this one that is a live account. So I'm done. We had data in 10 minutes. I'm sorry, in 5. Or the Fed speaking in 5 minutes. So I like this possible hold if it goes lower and then just consolidates a little bit here. Like even can go a little bit lower and then just boom. I like if that happens. It can still go a little bit lower, like pre-market lows. It's here. Around 746, 745. So yeah, I'm pretty much done. So let's go back to story times. So yeah, marrying a rich guy will be awesome. Just kidding. What's my type? No prenup, no prenup. I don't think I have a type, to be honest. Permanent market. Oh, that's funny. Everyone has a type? Maybe. I guess yeah, dark hair, white Latino, dark hair. If I have to look back, that will be my type, I guess. But the older I get, the less I care about how the guy looks, to be honest. Very jumpy here. Celebrity crush? Oh, the Superman guy and Chris Evans. I'm not into blondes. Tall. I don't really care about height, but it needs to be higher than me, like taller than me. Definitely taller than me because I'm very short. Nah, but for me, I think it's all about a guy that's happy. Like I learned my lessons. He needs to be happy, a happy person, and not grumpy, and not selfish. Being happy is not being perfect. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock. If we can break this little resistance here, I think we're definitely gonna try to go back to morning highs. To be honest, guys. Why do I have that there? This could be a nice reaction play, but I'm not touching this. No, I think the problem right now is that everyone is extremely selfish. I think that's the problem right now. I think that's why everyone is single right now. Where is the 50? Okay, let's see. I'm 5'2". I'm very short. Okay, and we're right at the 50 and QQQ VWAP. If the QQQ can break the VWAP, I think it's boom boom time. If not, you can see us going back down here. Exactly, yep. Okay, 50. Kinda tempted to take the short here, but I'm not gonna touch these guys. That's insane. Oh yeah. Is the Fed speaking already? I'm gonna try it. Very, very small position. Very, very small position. My stop loss is gonna be that candle high. Let's see what ES is doing. Oh, ES is very strong. I'm out. Good one. Apple new highs. I love how Apple, I will say the past 6 months or this year is not moving with the market. So whenever you have the market going very bullish, you have Apple going lower, and you just buy shares and then forget about it. When was it? I think it was whoa, okay. When was last year? At the end of that last year, at the beginning of this year, that Apple was kept like going lower and lower and lower, and the market was going higher, and I was just buying shares because why not? Apple is like safe haven for shares. It's right at all-time highs, right? Yeah. Right at all-time highs. Most likely it's gonna pull back a little bit there. I don't know why it's moving so much today. What's the news? China approved Apple, whatever. Okay. So that's an important news. It's funny, like I always like to buy a bunch of like a couple of micros, and then I take most of my profits kind of on the first push, and then I just hold one runner to see where it goes. Today that I don't do that, the market just move a lot more. it is what it is, because when the market is choppy. Oh, deal. This is the 40th time that Trump says that we have a deal. I know. That's the market. I know it's very easy to say after the fact that, like, I should have hold here, or held here, or I should have sold like quickly. Like, what is the market been doing the past 2-3 weeks? It's been very choppy, not going nowhere. So I think it was a very good call to be in and out fast, because I've been trying to hold my position the past few days and I got stopped out pretty much right away. Good day for me. I haven't done 2 green trades in a row in a while. Like, you guys never see me like scalping like today. I think it was the music. We still have QQQ rejecting the VWAP. SMH is still looking pretty weak. Too much hair today? Man, Apple just keeps going. Software is not doing much. Chips are weak. Well, SMH is weak, very weak. I haven't checked Nvidia. Not doing anything. Today is Argentina against England. Oh my, that game is gonna be so good. Who's winning? Who's winning today? Can we bet on Robinhood? I'm not betting on this one because I have no idea who's gonna win. Let me see. Oh yeah. 54% England, 48 Argentina, boludo. Money line, 37% to England, 33% to Argentina, tie 35. Why people bet on tie? Oh, because it can be tied and then go to the penalties. I don't know how you guys say that in English. Overtime. Oh, you can bet on overtime who scores first, and you can bet on goalies. Bellingham, Messi, Kane, Alvarez. Ooh. I love Messi, but Messi, the past 2-3 games, he hasn't been really playing well. Like, oh, penalty kicks. Yeah. It's more fun penalties. But now I understand where that word comes from. It's like penalty kicks, penalties. Okay. Trophy is coming back to England. Maybe they're playing pretty good, but Spain is playing amazing, but very boring. I was expecting so much for the game from yesterday's game. Poor Mbappe. The game today is gonna be crazy because they hate each other. Argentinians hate England because of the what's the word they had? They have yeah, the word that they have in 88, 82. Malvinas, yes, that one, yes. For Ronaldo, yeah. I find it like it's very interesting to see Ronaldo fans like really hating Messi, like which I find it like so like psychologically weird, but not weird. But it's funny how people think like because Ronaldo couldn't win, therefore they want Messi to lose. It's like both are awesome players. But I'm Team Messi. American football, not a big fan. But I want to go to a football game. I've never been to one. I've been to obviously soccer, tennis, hockey. Ooh, we're going down again. Is this gonna be another pre-market lows hold? We can hold here again, or yesterday's lows. Guys, this was a perfect. I'm not gonna watch ES because it's very choppy. NQ only. This was a perfect PDH reaction. Look how perfect that was. Beautiful. You're going to on Saturday to a final or semis? That's a final or semis? Third place. Is it here in Miami? Yeah. The finals are in New York, New Jersey. Thank you. It's been very, very clean today, guys. Very clean. Yikes. SMH is still very, very weak. Yeah, NQ very clean today. Beautiful, beautiful PDH reaction, and the QQQ VWAP was right there also. If we lose here, we have 680, 660, and then around pre-market yesterday's lows. The main level I'll be looking for, maybe another bounce play, will be around here. But that's a big move if NQ goes there. Whoa. What is the Fed saying? No, this is a clean PA. Today is a clean PA. What is he saying? That the market is just dying. The thing is, like, we can say anything, but if the Fed said another thing, like, technical analysis doesn't matter when you have a Fed speaking or you have news coming up or data. I still see levels working with that, but yeah, I try to stay away when we have anything that could completely change the direction of the day. This bounce here will be nice. Like, if just goes lower, there's no entry to play this downtrend. People are funny. Yeah, move here will be nice. If we can have a move higher, but I don't want to see like a crazy big candle like this one. You want to see something kind of like this, like small bodies. The only way that I could look for a long play is that we regain here, or if the market goes down like very fast to this level here. Those are the only two levels that I like for another bounce play. But other than that, no. I like more this possible reaction here. But to play this reaction, you need to have kind of like a bigger stop loss. I will say if break these highs, it's gonna keep going higher. So that would be the stop loss that I like for a reaction play here. Roth? Yes, I do. For ETF, I go with the safest one. Let me check. I have SMH, VGT, VYM, and VUG. Yikes. Beach day for you? Awesome. Enjoy your day. It's gonna be a beach day for me on Friday. Yes, it's still very choppy. Yeah. Ugly price action on ES. It's weird. But it looks like if it wasn't for NQ that it's going lower, I think ES looks like it wants more upside. It's fighting too much this downtrend here. I am gonna do a trading meetup here in Miami, but in the future, probably next year. But because I'm gonna do that with yeah, next year. Well, ES has the 500 biggest stocks, and NQ has the 100 biggest only tech stocks. So the 100 biggest tech stocks are pretty much the biggest stocks in the entire market, so they are inside ES also. So if we look at top 10 holdings on ES, it's pretty much Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Broadcom, Google, MU, Meta, and Tesla. That's tech. Beautiful, beautiful reaction here. Yeah, very nice price action on NQ today. Finally. Yeah, remember to like the video, guys. Help me with that. Likes, subscribe also. SMH is still very, very weak. It's right at Monday's lows. Let's see if it can hold here. I don't want it to hold here because I do want to see NQ going all the way down to yesterday's lows. Okay. I need more coffee. I'll be back, guys. Okay, I'm back. Whoa, okay. Can you hold here? We have some wicks here. Right where we at, right now. This is tempting. This is tempting. I'm gonna try it. I have to. Very small position again. in and out. 3 for 3. I wanted to try it with minis, but I was like, you're getting too excited. I always get asked about how I pass evals. That's how I pass evals. But obviously I go with 3, 4, 5 minutes. It depends on the size of the account that I wanna have. But that's exactly how I pass evals. Never before seen on the stream. 3 for 3? Let's see if it holds. Yes. This could be, if it holds, we could see something like this again, right? Like a good push, and then maybe a good push towards maybe here or here, or again maybe here. I don't think so, but who knows? Who knows? But yeah, NQ perfect price action today. Any TV show, movie recommendation? I have nothing to watch. Silo? That's on Apple TV, right? The Bear for All Mankind? What? Oh, that sounds good. The For All Mankind. It's a movie or a TV show? Oh, it's a movie. 5 seasons already? I don't have Apple TV. But I might get it just for this one. This one looks very good. I did watch Friends and Neighbors. I watched the first season. It's the second season out already. Oh, I watched that one, Voicemail for Isabella. Yeah. That was cute. I do like rom-coms, yes. I do. I like flowers and watching rom-coms. I like those stuff, cheesy stuff. The Innocent, El Inocente. Oh, with Mario Casas. I love him. Anything that have Mario Casas in it, I'm gonna watch it. Okay, I'm gonna watch that one. I'm gonna watch The Mankind also. I need to get Apple TV again. Landman. I heard that one it's pretty good. With what's his name? Is that on? Oh, it's Paramount. I don't have Paramount. I used to have everything, and then I saw that I was spending like over like $250 on between Apple, Disney, Hulu, Netflix, Amazon. I was like, hell no, $250 for everything, and I wasn't really watching TV. So I got rid of everything but Netflix. And I barely use it. I watch a lot of YouTube. I literally watch YouTube all day. I have YouTube in the background all day. Oh, I was paying YouTube also. I'm paying YouTube. So yeah, I was paying Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Disney, Amazon, Apple TV. Like, so yeah, I do that also. Like right now, I don't have anything to watch, but you guys been telling me to watch like 2 or 3 TV shows that are on Apple TV. So I might get Apple TV again, and I'm gonna watch everything in like 2 months, or in a month. I will watch everything in a month, and then I cancel again, and then I move on into the next one that he have like maybe 2, 3 good TV shows, and I can watch them all, and then I cancel again. But I'm not gonna spend again like $250 for TV. Which is, now that I think about it, it's funny because I could easily lose like 5K trading. Or 3K trading. And I'm like, yeah, it's just one day. One red day. But don't ask me to pay $250 for monthly TV shows. And I shouldn't be complaining about that. The Founders on Netflix? I love the Founder movie, the McDonald's movie. And I think I need to watch it again. $29? It's Netflix? There? What? Well, maybe paying $29 and I don't know. Oh, okay, got it. Yeah, so it looks like NQ, it's gonna hold here. That's previous day's lows. Oh, I do pay a lot for a lady to clean my house because I do not like doing house stuff. On that, I do not care. I'm like, yeah, you just charge me, I'm gonna pay for that. I do not care. Also, I always think about, okay, how long it takes me. Like right now, I need to do my laundry. It takes me like an entire day doing my laundry. So how much is that for like hourly rate? How much I'm paying myself for that? Can I cook? I can. Do I like cooking? No. Do I cook? Yes. I can cook. Listen, house stuff are not my thing. Also, I grew up in Venezuela. In Venezuela, it's very cheap to have a nanny and a house cleaning lady. Oh, and a woman that how do you call that? Uh oh, I forgot it. How to say? I am forgetting in Spanish. Like, what the heck? Planchar? Ah, iron. Yeah, you have a lady. My mom has a lady that comes once per week and it irons their clothes. Nah, not a chef. The cleaning lady cooks. Yeah, in Venezuela, that's very, very normal. It's not, you don't need to be rich to have it. Obviously, a poor person is not gonna have all that help, but it's way cheaper than here. Like, way cheaper. Yeah, I think in South America it's like that. Trust me, in Venezuela, that's even if they are kind of like short on money, they will have a person that goes to their house and clean at least at least once per month, and then do their clothes also, like iron their clothes or the men's clothes. Oh, another story. You guys remember that I told you that when my mom was little, they were very wealthy, and then my grandpa passed, and they had no money, like at all. So when that happened, like before, this is it used to be very, very normal. So when my mom was very little, they got a girl from Colombia, and she was like 15 or 16. She went into my grandma house to help with the kids. She was their nanny. So she was like 15 or 16. That was extremely normal there also at that time. And then Colombians used to go to Venezuela when Venezuela was very rich and Colombia was not rich, or it was like having a very hard time at a time. So she went to my grandpa's house. She was the nanny, and then when my grandpa passed, obviously they had no money to pay her, but she stayed with them. She lived with them, and my younger aunt called her mom too. Because even though they had no money to pay her, she still was in the house, like helping with the kids. But she was like, she had money, she had like food, and she had a place where to stay. So those are things that happen in South America that it's very weird for a American. My that was my mom's childhood. My childhood, it was pretty normal. My parents had me when they were very, very young. My mom was like 22 and my dad was 24. They were not wealthy or anything. My dad both worked very, very hard, and they gave me everything that I needed, not everything that I wanted. And I had a very happy childhood, very normal, happy childhood. I went to a good school. I played a lot of sports. And I love my family, to be honest. I love my parents and my siblings. I came to the US like 12 years ago. Have you played pickleball for 20 years? Nah. I played tennis back home. I played tennis. I play kicking ball also at school. I played basket, but I'm not good at all. I play volley also. I did flamenco also. I did everything. Oh, and I swim also. But I stopped swimming because I was getting very heavy, because after swimming I was so hungry and I was eating like crazy, and I was like 15 or 16, so I gained like 30 pounds, and I'm 5'2", so I was like, no, I'm getting too fat, and I stopped swimming. I gained like 15, 20 pounds swimming, yeah. But yeah, we're holding here. I don't think much is gonna happen now, guys, to be honest. Nice hold. Very good price action today on NQ. After complaining for like 3 weeks that I didn't like the price action, I think price action today was very, very clean. Hopefully we have another good day tomorrow, because now we know that the NQ is at least moving. It's going somewhere. Is ES still very choppy? Yes. Yes, extremely choppy. Yeah. I'm gonna take these out. Yeah, nothing happening with ES. I don't think I'm gonna stream Friday, no. I'm going to the beach, most likely. Okay, it's over 11 o'clock. We had a great stream. 3 for 3. I don't think I ever done that on the stream before. 3 green trades in a row. Very quick scalps, but very, very clean each one. So I'm up over 3,100. Today I'm done. Yeah. Whoa, okay. I'm done for today, guys. I'll be here again tomorrow. Today was fun. Today was a fun stream. I almost skipped today. I was like, if today we have another ugly price action day, like, I'm gonna skip the rest of the week. I almost didn't come here today, but happy that I did. So awesome. Thank you guys for being here. Like the videos. I'll see you again mañana. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm pretty life-changing game. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making